Hello and welcome to Coffee Coder. My name is Andrew, and today I will be uncovering 10 Windows 10 features that will enhance your user experience. Trigger warning, not all of the features I will be talking about are technically hidden. However, to the average user, they can be really hard to find, and many users don't even know they exist. So the first thing on my list of features is keyboard shortcuts. In Windows 10, there's quite a lot of keyboard shortcuts that could really help speed up productivity. For example, instead of clicking on the Start menu to search, you can click the Windows key and start typing to search for something. Further, you can open a program as an administrator with the key Command Control Shift Enter. In any browser, you can use the command Control T to open a new tab, Control Tab to navigate through tabs, Alt Tab to navigate between programs, and Control W to exit a program or a tab. You can open Windows Explorer by clicking Windows E, Control L to edit the address bar, and to take a screenshot, you can use Windows Shift S. And that screenshot is automatically saved in your clipboard, which allows you to easily paste it with the key Command Control V in a document, on a chat forum, or even in an image editor. You can view the history of things you've clipped in your clipboard by typing in the keyboard shortcut Windows V. Another important key to note is Windows P. This command is important for when you connect a laptop to a second display because it gives you quick control over what that second display will show. There are tons of other keyboard shortcuts. Almost all of the programs I will show off in this video will have their own keyboard shortcut. I will put a link in the description of this video to a document that contains all the important shortcuts that I think you should know. The second feature on this list is one you might already know, and that is the ability to disable apps from running on startup using Task Manager. You can open Task Manager with the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-Escape. The Task Manager is a very powerful tool. It shows your programs that are running, which you can end like Windows Explorer, and additionally, you can start programs by clicking on File, Run New Task. If your computer is running slowly, a great way to speed it up is to disable applications on startup by going to the Startup tab and right-clicking applications and disabling them from starting on startup. However, not all applications that run on startup are shown in Task Manager. There are two folders in Windows that are dedicated to starting apps on Windows Startup. You can find them by clicking the Windows R key and typing in Shell Startup and Shell Common Startup. Shortcuts for applications that are in these folders will start on startup. So if you wanted an application to start when your computer turns on, you can drop a shortcut in this folder. The third feature on my list is Autologin. If you have a desktop at home, like a gaming or media station for your family, and you have a lot of trust for the people who can access it, you might want to set your computer to automatically log in without you having to type in a password every time. You can do this using an application on Windows called NetPLWiz. In the search bar, type in NetPLWiz. Here, you can select the desired user that you want your computer to automatically log in to, and uncheck the checkbox titled Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Additionally, this program lets you create, delete, and manage local user accounts and passwords. This makes startup a little bit faster. However, I would not recommend this for laptops or for any devices that strangers might get their hands on. You can also set your computer to automatically log in by going to your Windows sign-in options and setting a blank password. The fourth feature on my list is for those who want more security rather than less, and it is something called Dynamic Lock. Dynamic Lock allows you to automatically lock your computer when you step away from it with your smartphone via a Bluetooth connection. To enable this feature, search for Dynamic Lock in your search bar, or go to Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options, and once you've enabled this, you will need to connect your phone to your computer via Bluetooth. The fifth feature on my list is an application that comes with Windows 10 called 3D Builder. You can find it by searching for 3D Builder in the Start menu. This application allows you to design 3D objects using objects to add and subtract to your design. You can make most any simple 3D print. You can also import cool designs and add custom text to them using the Emboss tool. 3D Builder allows you to download your project as an STL and even order the object to be printed online. Furthermore, if you go to your File Explorer, there is a folder that contains 3D objects that you can open in 3D Builder. The sixth feature on my list is an application called the Xbox Game Bar. This app is a screen recording and voice recording software that's built into Windows 10. It's geared towards users who play video games, but you can use it for everyday applications. The key command to open it is Windows G, and you can use the key command Windows-Alt-R to begin recording and to stop recording. The game bar allows you to message and voice call your friends using your Windows account. The game bar also has a nifty looking for group feature for those looking to play games and make friends. And it has a built-in Spotify controls for listening to your music while you play. The seventh feature on my list is one you might never use, but can be extremely helpful for programmers and server administrators, and that is the ability to SSH as well as using Linux as a Windows subsystem. To enable this, you're going to want to go to Settings, Apps, then under Apps and Features, manage optional features, click on Add a feature, then scroll down and find OpenSSH. OpenSSH allows you to secure shell connect into remote machines using Windows command prompt. Additionally, you can even use Linux on your Windows computer. All you have to do is go to the Windows Store, type in Linux, download a distribution of Linux, and put this command string into PowerShell as administrator. After restarting, you'll be able to use bash commands in your command prompt like SSH, manage files on your computer using Vim, and even downloading repositories. The only thing that the Linux Windows subsystem is missing is OpenCL and CUDA GPU support. The eighth feature on my list is the YourPhone app. You can find it by searching for YourPhone in the Start menu. Using this app, you will be able to send and receive text messages from your computer and view your recently taken photos on your computer as well as receive notifications. To enable this, you first must be signed into a Windows account and have installed the YourPhone companion app on your smartphone. This is a fairly new feature and currently has quite a lot of issues, so don't expect it to work right away. Microsoft are working hard on this application and will soon release a new feature that allows users to control their phones from their computers by mirroring the screen. Sadly, for iPhone users, features are quite limited as there isn't a full-fledged companion app on the Apple App Store. Look forward to improvements and bug fixes for this application in the future. The ninth feature that you may not have known about on my list is Maps. Windows 10 has a built-in Maps application that will let you get directions to places, mark saved locations, view the world in 3D with some amazing 3D views of popular cities all around the world. The Map app even has high-resolution 360 images of street side views. However, the street view is only available in certain locations within the US. The Map app will show you traffic data and even reveal where traffic cameras are. Maps also has a neat ink feature that lets you draw on the map while telling you the distance of each line, which you can print out or share online with others or send to your device using the YourPhone app. The Map app even lets you download maps for different countries to your computer for offline use. The last feature on my list is something called GodMode. On your desktop, right-click and create a new folder, then give it this string. and its icon will change to the control panel icon. And when you click on it, you will gain easy access to the innumerable features and customization options, all within a single user interface. That was all of the Windows 10 hidden features. If there's a feature you know of that you think should be on this list, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to see similar content in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.